All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Solana. See what is happening with the price of Sol and, of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So, the Solana family is probably wondering what exactly is happening with Sol right now. Crypto ZX, get us covered, so that's what I'm here for. If you have not already, you guys know what to do. Subscribe and hit that like button. But now let's take a look at what's happening with the market. So we're seeing Chili's up 20%. It's been quite some time Chili's in making gains. So that is great to see if you are holding Chili's. Huge plus point and props to you. But as far as Solana is concerned, it's up 3.3% on the daily time frame. But majority of the market is slowly but surely picking up. Again, a huge plus point. But what exactly is next for Solana right now? And of course, what is yet to come? That's what we're going to be discussing. And this one is an exciting Solana update, so you do want to watch it till the end. So if we're looking at the price of Solana today, $97.59, up 3% over the past 24 hours in USD. Comparative, it's also up 2% in Bitcoin. Comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is back above $42 billion to be exact. $42.3 billion is its market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $1.8 billion. So great. Overall, things are looking great as far as its price is concerned. Yes, I've been reading the comments, and you guys won't believe some people are actually calling Solana a stable coin at this point, which is really, really funny. But, there's a lot of hate out there for Solana as well right now, and majority of the hate that's coming for Sol right now is based off of the people that missed out, that missed our opportunity. And the reason as to how I know this is hate is because some of the people that just recently commented on my most recent updates that are talking negative about Solana are the same exact people when Solana was breaking out out of the key resistance levels. These people were the ones like, oh, is Solana going to dip, is Solana going to go cheaper? And now it has not gone cheaper. These guys are really frustrated. But again, not everyone is going to win, and that's what people need to understand. You won't win everything, and I hope you know that. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So we're going to be taking a look at some news that's revolving around Solana first, and then we're going to take a look at the price. So as far as the news goes, you guys can see this for yourself. Solana Mobile plans to launch a second smartphone soon, and the source is CoinDesk. And I cannot wait to get my hands on this because, I've been literally reaching out to so many people. If they have, Solana Mobile that they're willing to, hook up your boy with, people just don't want to do that. And again, I understand. Come on, I understand. The overall airdrops on the Solana Mobile are worth over $2,000. So I understand where people are coming from. But, I can't wait to get my hands on this phone because I think this phone is going to be huge. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. I will definitely take the risk to get this phone because it has showed its importance recently. Literally in the last 1 month, people have received up to $2,000 worth of airdrops just by having this phone. So I will definitely be getting my hands on this if this were to be released. But also the most craziest announcement, I made a video on that earlier yesterday, which was regarding the Jupiter exchange. So we have finally gotten the date for Jupiter launch, which is on the 31st of this month, at the end of the month. And that's when the coin launches. And I think it's going to be really interesting to see, this coin launching, because of course this brings in so much liquidity in Solana. You won't believe how much of a game changer this really is for the entire Solana ecosystem, and I'm just extremely excited. You guys can see this for yourself. Solana decentralized exchanges achieved 58.5 billion in swap volume through 235.4 million distinct transactions since January 2023. Now the craziest thing is this compromises a total of 439 million swaps, including hops, with a significant 35 billion, guys, which is 60% of the total volume, which was just on Jupiter Exchange. Do you understand why people are getting excited about Jupiter Exchange? To me, initially, what I'm thinking is Jupiter Exchange, is launching at a great time. you might not be thinking that, but Jupiter Exchange is launching at a great time because we are in a bull market. If you think this is not a bull market, let's educate ourselves. This definitely is the start of the bull market. And of course, Solana ecosystem being so hyped up, I think this is going to play even a bigger role. What I'm personally thinking is, yes, there is going to be people that are going to paper hand their Jupiter, without a doubt. Without a doubt, that is going to happen. And once we do see Jupiter Exchange does get dumped, potentially we could see a little bit of a retracement. But I personally, again, personally speaking, I don't see why Jupiter Exchange wouldn't open up at a $1.7 billion market cap, which is a dollar price point. Like I said, if it were to open, we might see a pullback, see it consolidate a bit. But I've mentioned this in my Jupiter Exchange update, which was earlier yesterday. I'm targeting Jupiter to get to Uniswap's level. Yep, you've heard that correct. I expect Jupiter has everything possible for itself, and we have the market momentum to see Jupiter pushing up to $5 billion market cap. And again, I might sound crazy, but I just see that happening. Why would that be unrealistic? Because what we're seeing happening is more and more interest in ecosystem and Solana's DeFi. We haven't seen this much interest ever. And of course, Jupiter Exchange being the biggest one, people are going to be using it and using it more than ever. And not only that, people want to get their hands on Jupiter. Me as a content creator, I know the amount of people that message me, email me, literally so many times a week, asking, how do we get Jupiter? How do we qualify? That shows the interest level there really is. So I'm very, very excited about that, and this is going to be huge for the entire Solana space. And Solana holders that did qualify for this airdrop are going to be, rewarded really heavily. Of course, there is speculation going on that we're going to see, a meme coin that is going to be launched as a test, and there's rumors flying around that that meme coin is going to, be distributed to all the eligible holders for Jupiter, coins allocation. And if that's the case, again, that's just a rumor that's flying around. But if that's the case, that you could basically put it as a double airdrop in a way. So really, really exciting stuff. As far as Solana's DeFi is concerned, the TVL is $1.36 billion. And I think this is going to get even higher as you do go further into this bull market. So, if you're looking at it compared to the previous all-time highs in terms of its TVL, I think it's still very early for its DeFi. And of course, that's just based off of what I said, comparing it to the last bull market high. So I'm really, really excited to see what, is in store for the Solana ecosystem. But that's that great news, of course. But as far as Solana price is concerned, not much is happening with the price. Of course, we are trading around exactly the same, a little bit higher compared to yesterday, but we're ranging really nicely. One thing now you do want to be noticing is that we are facing a resistance. You can literally see this for yourself. There's some key resistance level coming in the way, but I do expect Bitcoin is back above $43,000. If it continues to get back into the 38.2 as you go further into the morning, I am expecting that Sol could be pushing back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So that is great to note. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. What excites you the most about Solana? What are you doing right now? I want to know in the comments. Love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.